what banks do is they get you to invest. Like they hold your money in the bank account, and they charge you a fee in most cases, unless you're on an online bank, which we're moving all of our stuff to. So regular brick and mortar, like I've been with a certain bank for 20 some years, you'd think like they'd honor your loyalty, or honor your customer support. I've been with them for 20 some years, and they're increasing their rates during a pandemic. It's like the worst time to do something like that, right? So they're raising their rates. And what they do is they're holding your money, and they give you like a penny a month or whatever. And whatever there is, investments, or what do they call it? Interest. They give you basically nothing in interest. And they charge you whatever it is, 10, 15 bucks, 7, 8, 10, 15 bucks, I don't know, a month, whatever it is. And then they take your money and they lend it out to someone else at like 18% interest. So Jane says banks are the worst. They're thieves. It's but most people don't know this. Like I'm laughing because it is so ridiculous, and people put up with that. They're like, "Oh, well, it takes too much time to move my bank, or to find a new bank, or to cancel my bank." Like it's crazy. So they're basically stealing them. So they basically are charging you to lend your money to someone else, to charge them even more money. It's insane. And like, it's just, I don't think it's common knowledge. I don't think people know that that's what happens.